This is the MONSGA MR7 Pro robot vacuum and mop combo. I'm testing it out today to see how it performs in everyday cleaning. It is supposed to be able to handle pet hair. It's supposed to vacuum and mop your floors, and also it can empty itself and you don't have to empty anything out up to 90 days, and it even protects your hardwood floor while it charges. It is designed to make floor cleaning as hands-free as possible. Inside the box, you'll find the docking pad, the robot vacuum, the dust collector, and then you also receive a dust bag, the mop pad and mop, a filter, and then 2 side brushes and a cleaning brush. Also, the user manuals and the remote control and AAA batteries are inside the dust collector. I'm first installing the side brush and then the mopping pad, and then install the docking pad and place the dust collector wherever you want it to be, and then charge it. And then not only is there an app that you can connect to, but there's also the remote control, which is really nice to have if you don't want to use the app. But if you do want to use the app, it is called Smart Life, and it's so simple to connect to. After connecting it to the app, the MR7 Pro quickly creates a detailed map of your home using LiDAR navigation. Instead of cleaning randomly, it scans each room and follows an organized row-by-row cleaning pattern, making coverage much more efficient. Once the map is finished, you can customize it in the app by naming rooms, creating virtual walls and no-go zones, scheduling cleanings, or sending the robot to clean a specific room or area. If you have multiple floors, it can even remember up to 5 different maps, so you don't have to remap each level. And then it's ready to start cleaning. This is where you'll fill with clean water first. I'm starting with auto clean first. It has 8,000 PA of suction, so it has plenty of power. You can really hear how quiet it is. It's not super loud, and it goes around corners so nicely. If at any point you need to pause, you can just press the pause button on the remote, or you can press any button on the vacuum. First, I sprinkled crumbs across the floor, and the 8,000 PA suction picked everything up super easily. Next, I put down some dirt and some hair. It's picking everything up so easily. With the crumbs, I used the spot clean feature, and then I'm using the remote to guide it where I want it to go, and it's working out really well. It's leaving the floor spotless. It's also really impressive how well it goes under furniture. And it also has a dual anti tangle system, so it combines an arched side brush with an all rubber main roller, which helps reduce hair wrapping around the brush. So if you have pets or long hair in your home, that's a feature that you'll definitely appreciate. It has a 160-minute runtime, and it will cover up to 2,690 square feet on a single charge. And when the battery runs low, it guesses the exact power needed to finish the job, and then it recharges just enough and picks up right where it left off. And also, once it's done cleaning, the robot automatically returns to the dock and empties the collected debris into the large 4-liter dust bag. This means you can go for weeks or even up to 90 days depending on your home without manually emptying the robot's dustbin. And you'll want to do some regular maintenance once in a while, such as removing the mop pad, and also empty the reservoir and wash all those parts. And removing the dust bag is super easy to take out and then slide the new one in. Overall, I think the MONSGA MR7 Pro offers a really nice combination of convenience and performance. I love the area recognition feature because you can just choose one room to clean, or multiple rooms, or even just a specific area that needs attention instead of cleaning the entire house every time. The strong suction anti-tangle brush system, the smart mapping that remembers up to 5 maps, self-emptying dock, and smart recharge features make it a great option for busy households, especially if you have pets or multiple floors. So if you're looking for a robot vacuum and mop that can handle everyday cleaning with very little hands-on maintenance, I think this one is definitely worth considering.